In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Monday.com. If you've ever found yourself missing deadlines or forgetting to follow up on projects, you know how critical timely reminders can be. Monday.com, with its intuitive interface and customizable options, offers a robust solution for managing reminders that can significantly improve your productivity and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Log into your account, which will take you to the home page. Here you'll see an overview of your workspace, including various boards and activities. Select the board where you want to set up a reminder. Boards on Monday.com are essentially project or task dashboards that organize everything related to your work or project. If you don't already have a board set up for your specific project or task, now would be a good time to create one. Once you've selected or created your board, it's time to add a column by clicking on the plus icon, which is usually found on the right side of your board. Columns in Monday.com help you categorize and track different aspects of your projects, such as task status, priority, or deadlines. For setting up a reminder, click on Date to add a date column to your board. This column will be used to set deadlines or important dates related to your tasks. After adding the date column, click to select a specific date for your reminder. Here you can specify exactly when you want to be reminded about a particular task or deadline. Next, it's time to automate the reminder. Click on Automate found at the top of your board. Monday.com offers a range of automation templates that make it easy to set up notifications, reminders, and much more, without the need for manual intervention. In the Automate menu, choose Due Dates to access reminder-related automations. From there, locate the When Date Arrives, Notify Someone template and click Use Template. This is a straightforward way to set up a reminder based on a specific date. You'll be prompted to customize your automation. Click on When to specify that the trigger should be the arrival of the due date you've just set. Here you can also add a time to your reminder, making it even more precise. Select the time that works best for you, keeping in mind when you'd like to receive the notification ahead of the due date. Then it's time to tell Monday.com whom to notify. Click on Notify to set up the notification message that will be sent as a reminder. At this point, you can add a personalized message to accompany your reminder. Including the item name in your message can be helpful for quick reference, so feel free to use the item name as an example within your notification text. Finally, after setting up your message, you'll need to click on Someone to choose the recipient of the reminder. This can be yourself, a team member, or even a group of people working on the project. For the purposes of our example, let's say you choose yourself to receive the notification. With everything set up, click on Create Automation. This final step activates your reminder, ensuring that you or the designated person will receive a notification on the specified date and time. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a reminder on Monday.com. This simple yet effective tool can greatly enhance your project management by ensuring that you stay on top of important deadlines and tasks. Remember, the key to effective use of Monday.com is customization. Don't hesitate to explore and tweak automations to perfectly suit your workflow. With Monday.com's flexible platform, you have the power to streamline your projects and foster a more productive working environment.